Most people want to start investing, just like you, but they never do. And it's not because they or you are lazy, but it's because this investing stock world seems so complicated, like it's something that only rich people understand. But here's the truth. The stock market isn't just for wealthy people. It's a tool that anyone can use to build wealth as long as you understand it. When I first started learning about investing, it was overwhelming. I'm reading charts and numbers and graphs and acronyms and all of these kind of things. And quite frankly, I had no idea where to start. But once I learned the basics of investing and what stocks are and how they can help me to build wealth, then everything changed for me, specifically my mindset around money. Because wealth and the mindset behind wealth begins with wisdom. And when you finally understand how this works, then you too can change. In this video, I'm going to talk about the stock market for beginners. I'm going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how you can actually get started, even if you are starting small. So if you've ever felt confused or afraid, or really that the stock market isn't for you, then stay tuned. Because by the end of this video, you're going to see that the stock market isn't complicated. You've just been explained to about stocks the wrong way. So let's talk about the stock market and what the stock market actually is. So let's start with the basics. What is the stock market? Think about it like this. The stock market is basically a place where people buy and sell ownership or pieces of a company. So think about it as if you had your own business and you wanted people to invest more into your own business. Let's say, for example, you have a t-shirt business and you need more capital so that you can print more t-shirts. Well, I can buy a piece of the company or buy into your company with my money and invest in you. And now you have my money to make more t-shirts. In turn, as you make more t-shirts, you then give me not only my money back, but interest on top of what I've given you. So as the company grows, the value of your share becomes more valuable and your investment grows too. So it's not betting, it's ownership. It's not gambling, it's building. You're building by investing in companies that grow. And when you think about it that way, the stock market isn't something to fear, but it's something to understand. Because when you make smart decisions with where you put your money and what pieces of companies you want to buy from, then you can be strategic and know if these companies are going to grow over time. Now let's talk about how the stock market actually works. Now here's where people like to overcomplicate things when they think about the stock market. And here's how you should approach it. The stock market works off of supply and demand. It works off of this one simple principle. When people believe that a company will do well, then the stock price rises. When people believe that the company is not doing so well, or when their confidence drops within the company, then the stock price drops. That's it. But here's the real key. The stock market rewards long-term thinkers, not really day traders, not really guessers. You don't really have to be a day trader. You don't have to think that this is a guessing game. You only have to believe and know if a company is performing well. Most people who invest in strong companies stay consistent over time. Think about all of the companies that have been around in your lifetime that have been profitable. Coca-Cola, Walmart, Microsoft, Tesla, all of these companies you've heard have been profitable over time in the long run. That's why some of the most successful investors have come up with the statement, time in the market beats timing in the market. It's not necessarily about when you get in to start investing. It's about how long you continue to invest and put your money in it over time. All right, so now let's talk about how to actually get started in investing in stocks. Okay, so how do you actually start? Here are 3 simple steps for beginners. Number 1, learn before you leap. Take time to understand what you're investing in and where you're putting your money. Watch videos like this, read basic guides, make sure you understand symbols and what it looks like and what some of the terminologies are and what they mean. Don't rush it. You don't have to rush investing and putting your money, because when you put your money in there, remember, you're investing for the long term. Step two, start small. You don't need $1,000 to get started investing in stocks. You don't need $500 to get started investing in stocks. You even don't need $100 or even $50 to start investing in stocks. You can use $20 and grow over time. The goal is consistency, not perfection. You're not looking just to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars all at once and think that you're going to just grow your money overnight. Be consistent with what you have. Three, use the right tools. Open a brokerage account. This is where you're going to now download apps that will allow you to invest in stocks. It doesn't have to be something fancy like a Charles Schwab account. You can download apps like Webull. You can download apps like Stash, or you can download the most popular app that people use, which is Robinhood. And remember, your first investment isn't about making money fast. It's about building the habits that will last for the long term. Now, before I wrap up this section, I want to go over some common mistakes that a lot of beginners make when investing in stocks. Mistake number one, chasing hype. Don't buy stocks just because you hear everyone else buying the stock. Don't put your money there thinking that if you just invest in this, then you'll get some money back quickly. Don't do that, because you're not making a smart, wise investment. Remember, you're not putting your money in here like it's the lottery just to pull your money back out trying to get some quick money. The stock market or investing isn't just for quick money. It's for long-term money so that your money can compound as the companies grow. The companies have to grow. Don't worry about the companies that are elevating because you see everybody else investing in them. Because by the time it goes viral, usually you're a little too late. Usually the stock price isn't where you could have gotten in, it's usually higher. Number two, investing without a plan. Don't just go blindly putting your money somewhere without a plan. Know your goals. Know what you want to invest your money in. Know what companies you want to put your money in. Know what stock you want to buy. Know what ETFs you want to buy. An ETF is just a collection of companies, or a collection, it's a stock, but it's a collection of companies all in one that gets the average of those companies to where you can invest in a bunch of companies instead of one company. For example, SPY. If you look up the ticker SPY on whatever stock trading platform that you will find, you'll find a bunch of stocks within SPY. So instead of just investing in Apple, you're investing in Apple, in Google, and Nvidia, and Microsoft, and a collection of stocks. And mistake number three, thinking short term. Don't think short term. The market is going to go up and the market is going to go down. Your stock price is going to go up and the stock price is going to go down. You're going to make money and then you're going to lose money. Keep investing. Be consistent, because as that market goes up, as the companies continue to go up, when you've invested your money for the long term, over time, you will see your money compounding and you will get the return on your investment, because you were smart in the beginning to invest in companies that has historically grown over time and have been profitable. That's the key word, profitable over time. I also want to let you know too that building wealth is not just about strategy, but it's also about stewardship. It's important that you learn how to be a good steward over your money, that you prepare yourself to leave an inheritance for your children and your children's children. And by you taking the first step to say, you know what, the value of the dollar is decreasing every day that I do nothing with it, then you're now making the step to say, you know, I want to compound my money. I want to think about the future. I want to think about the things to come, not just on my current needs. I want to focus and build something for generation. It requires a change in mindset, and it requires a leap for you of faith to do something different with your money than what you are currently doing right now. See, when we learn how money works and we apply discipline, faith, and consistency and perseverance, then those are the things that really change the dynamics of our life. And when you're doing that, you're not just investing in stocks, but you're investing into your future. So now that you understand how the stock market works and how to start, let's talk about mindset, because that's what separates those who quit from those who grow. So here's the truth. Learning how to invest is not about getting rich overnight. It's about learning how to manage what God has given you and what he has already placed in your hands. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. And once you start, you begin to build something powerful, even more than just money. You build discipline, you build consistency, you build character, you build knowledge, you build wisdom, and you build stewardship. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to build wisdom that lasts. So whether you're starting with $10 or $1,000, remember, small steps, small steps. Start with $10. Start with $5. Some apps will allow you to put $5 in. Get a referral. Refer friends to this as well. Because when it starts with you making the commitment and the choice to change your life financially here with investing, you'll begin to grow in other areas of your life. And if you stay consistent, you'll look back over your life and you'll realize that the one thing that was very confusing to you at one point, that you were fearful of, has become very clear because you stayed the course. If this video helps simplify things for you, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, share the video, give me a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts about the video. I create videos on this channel about faith, money, purpose, and mindset, and my goal is to help you become the best version of yourself. And if you know someone who's been scared to invest, be sure to share this video with them as well. I pray nothing but blessings and peace over your life as you continue to walk with me on this Christian journey, and I'll talk to you next time.